My name is Hernawati Gultom. I am a student in Universitas Terbuka semester 1. My major is elementary school teacher education. I will convey a few sentences about leisure time. I really like singing when I have leisure time and when I have a burden on my mind. Singing makes my heart calm. Singing can also increase knowledge and insight. Besides that, I also like to read novels on my handphone. When I have free time, sometimes I forget the time because I read, especially if the story is interesting. In conclusion, there are many things we can do to fill our leisure time. Hopefully, we do to fill our leisure time. Hopefully, we fill our leisure time with positive activities. That's all I can say about leisure time. Thank you for listening.